we're here at Knott Scary Farm, and I just subscribed to Pride Coaster Club, and you should too.
So we're all going to Accelerator, or I mean Mesmer, or Accelerator, because I would be quite mesmerized right now if I did get the right accelerator. But hey, that's another accelerated story for another accelerated day. Now back to Knott Scary Farm.
Merely the beginning. In ancient times, man believed that one could honor the cosmos' secret by placing a corpse into a hypnotic trance. Alas, he was wrong. Tonight, the sideshow of the mind. We are thrilled to have you. Come forward, thrill seekers. This is a once in a lifetime.
Focus on my voice. Only my voice is as a canvas. Illustrated man, can't open your eyes. Now, there's plenty of room.
How about you? You want a tattoo?
Seers were challenged to swallow a bulging spider face. Now the spiders never sleeping, never ceasing darkness. Some say music is the gateway to the soul. Violet found this to be entirely true. Nothing is tampering you to your body. Nothing is real. Its grasp, your bones cracking as your soul is squeezed from your rigidity. You cease to exist. Welcome to oblivion. Can be highly suggestive. Light as a feather, floating, leaving your body. Up and out. Without suggestion. No end in sight. Forever spiraling, forever spinning, never stopping. Your reality is breaking, shattering. The room sways. Watch your balance. Careful. Don't let your thoughts wander. Your mind is nothingness. Darkness is the meat of all our flaws. Has a way of looking into you. It is seductive. Your vanity becomes a prison. What is real and what is an illusion? You gaze into the surface, wondering reality. There are other connections, other visions, copies of the original, like all the others, obediently following my every command. A hypnotist can't get so follow my voice. You will honor him too long, or else you are his. The slithering images of the zoetrope in reality, but reality Red room! No, this cannot be! Red room! My eye sees all. My eye controls all. You shall return to the world of the living. Your
Well, that was mesmerizing. Just like the scream.
Within the marrow of a disposition. I can never seem to find the clues, but I'm searching for